So today I want to show you something I've been learning how to do, grafting on trees. And this one's really a neat one because this could be worth your time doing. And we're using a fir tree, which normally you don't graft to, but I want this thing to work year round. So the first thing you got to do is cut back just a little of it. And you want to get all these needles out of the way. Maybe cutting them off would be easier. And you see I'm cutting through the bark just a little. And you want to do that, you want to take off the outer layer because you need the cambium part to show through. And of course, with the way things are today, this is a real important thing to know how to do. So now that we got that it's cleaned off, you want to get some tape, and you want to get your piece that you're going to put on there, and you want to wrap this on really tight. And I just happened to use this one because I had this one laying around ready to use. So once you get that on, whoops, unrolling on me. You got to make sure it's really tight on there, or it won't work right. So then you take your tape, and you got to make sure you get all the air out of it. Around there, you want a real tight seal. You stick that on like that, and there you go. It's now on there, and the cambium of the tree will go into that, and it'll start sprouting out new growth on the end. And depending on how many times that branches out, you're going to end up with another 20-30 bucks coming off of there. As it gets older, it'll get more. If you want more leaves to pick off, you just need to put higher denominations on it. And that's how you create a money tree.